Yes, welcome back. One more problem related to maxima and minima. So see here, find the maximum and minimum values of f of x comma y equals to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. The given function, okay, you take it as equation 1. Step 1, find first order derivatives, that is dou f by dou x. If you differentiate with respect to x, the given function, you are getting 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. You equate it to 0 and take it as equation 2. Then the same function you differentiate with respect to y. Then you are getting 6xy minus 6y is equals to 0. You take it as equation 3. Then your task is to solve equation 2 and 3 to get critical points. Okay, so equation 2 is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6 equals to 0. Equation 3 is 6xy minus 6y equals to 0. If you compare equation 2 and 3, so equation 3 is looking somewhat simple. Okay, then to choose means to solve, we are selecting equation 3. So therefore if you solve equation 3, from equation 3 you take 6y common, then you are getting x minus 1 equals to 0. It means x value 1, y value 0. Okay, then your task is to find corresponding values. Okay, here equation 4 is representing x value 1 and y value 0. Then your next task is to find when x is 1 what is your y value, and when y equals to 0 what is your x value. Okay, this x equals to 1, substitute in equation 2 and find corresponding y value, and one more time use y value 0 in equation 2 and find corresponding x values. Okay, let us proceed. First use x equals to 1 and find corresponding y value. See here, x equals to 1 in equation 2 gives, if you solve this you are getting y value plus or minus 1. Means here 1 comma plus or minus 1 is one set of point. Then you go for second, when y equals to 0 what are your x values. Y equals to 0 you substitute in equation 2 and simplify. Here you are getting two x values, that is x equals to 0 and x equals to 2. Then what are your critical points with respect to this? When x is 0, y 0. When x is 2, y 0. Means totally here you are getting three critical points, three set of critical point. First set is x comma, that is y. 1 comma plus or minus 1 is one set. Then 0 comma 0 is one set, 2 comma 0 is one set. See here I written the critical points are 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 1 comma plus or minus 1. Okay, then you check, you just go for calculation of LMN, that is dou square f by dou x square value is 6x minus 6, dou square f by dou x into dou y is 6y. So this is dou square f, you please make the correction. M means dou square f by dou x into dou y, value is 6y. N is dou square f by dou x square value 6x minus 6. Okay, then you go to first critical points, first set of critical points 0 comma 0. It means x value 0, y value 0. Use this x value 0, y value 0 in LMN. So therefore your L value will be minus 6, M value 0, N value minus 6. If you calculate ln minus m square, here ln minus m square is positive. So then check L value is negative. When ln minus m square is positive and L is negative, plus and minus opposite signs, then the points 0 comma 0 is said to be maxima and the corresponding maximum value is 4. This 0 comma 0 you substitute in the given function, therefore you are getting maximum value. Then go to second set of points 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 means x value 2, y value 0. this x and y value again you substitute in place of L, M, N. Therefore your L value 6, M value 0, N value 6. Calculate ln minus m square. Here ln minus m square is again 36, positive number. Then L value is also positive. When ln minus m square is positive and L is positive, then the 2 comma 0 is minima and the minimum value is 0. Okay. Then go to the last set of point 1 comma plus or minus 1. It means x value is 1, y values are plus 1 or minus 1. So use these values in L, M, N. So L value is 0, M value is plus 6 or minus 6, N value is 0. Then if you calculate ln minus m square, so its value is minus 36, that is negative. So therefore when it is negative, so it needs there is not an extreme value, neither a maximum or minimum value, means here you are getting third case. Okay, so this is the way of finding maxima, minima and corresponding maximum and minimum value. So in the similar way, you please try to understand fourth example. Okay, in fourth example also you are finding the first derivative and equate it to 0. Solve the two equations so that you are getting corresponding x and y values. Okay, here if you see, yeah, here also three set of points you are getting 0 comma 0 minus root 2 comma minus root 2 minus root 2 comma root 2. So you check one by one. For first set of point, what are the results, for second set, for third set, so on. Okay, thank you for watching the video.